Today we'll do different kind of sums based on complex number. So first sum that we are going to do is x to the power 3 minus x squared plus 2x plus 4 is given, and what you have to do, you have to find out the value of this. Okay, x cube minus x squared plus 2x plus 4 का value you have to find out, and it is given that x is equal to 1 plus square root of 3i. Okay, if x is equal to 1 plus square root of 3 plus I, then x minus 1 can be square root of 3 into I. Okay, so squaring both sides, what we'll get? We'll get x square plus 2x, x square minus 2x plus 1, that is equal to 3 square of 3 will be 3, and square of I, it means 3i square. I square is minus. Okay, so x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 3, because I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3. Now we can write like this: x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x square minus 2x plus 4 should be equal to 0. Okay, so this we need to use here. How? It means x cube minus x to the power 3 minus x squared plus 2x plus 4. This we have to find out the value of this. So x cube, and we need x square, and here minus x square is there. So x square, can we write plus minus x square plus x square? There will be no change if we are adding and subtracting the same value. Okay, and 2x is there, but we want minus 2x, so plus 2x is there. So plus 2x minus 2x, no change. Okay, so we can do this plus 4. Okay, so here we can write x cube minus x square minus x square minus 2x square. Now plus 2x plus 2x plus 2 plus 4x. Okay, and now we can write x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this x square minus 2x plus 4 will be equal to 0. Okay, so x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 0. Now this should be equal to x, अगर हम common लेंगे, then it will be x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, and as we know that x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, so x into 0 will be equal to 0. Okay, so what value we are getting for this one? We are getting 0. Okay, now next question, we'll do some different kind of question. So what you have to do, we have to prove that square root of 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 cube of this one will be equal to I. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, what we have to do, we have to prove that this one is equal to this one. Okay, so first we will take LHS and we'll start from here. Square root of 3 upon 2 plus I upon 2 cube, that should be equal to, can we write like this, square root of 3 plus I divided by 2, we can take common, and cube. So square root of 3 plus I cube divided by 2 ka cube, and 2 ka cube is 8, so directly we can write 8. And now a plus b whole cube, what's the formula of that? A plus b whole cube, क्या होता है formula उसका? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that's it. Okay, it means a square b 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so this is the formula, we'll use this formula here. So a cube, it means square root of 3 का cube, so it will be 3 root 3, then cube of I minus I, then 3ab, 3ab. It means 3, we can write like this, 3ab, a square b and 3ab square. So 3a square b will be 3 into a square will be 3 and 3ab and it will be I. Okay. Then 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3 into a, that is square root of 3 b square. It means I ka square. Okay. So this will be equal to 3 root 3 minus I plus 9I, and I square will be minus, so minus 3 root 3 divided by 8. 3 root 3 and minus 3 root 3 we can cancel. So what value we are getting? 9I minus I will be 8I divided by 8. So we are getting I, that is equal to RHS. We can see here. This we have to prove, and this should be equal to I, and hence proved. Okay. Now another question we'll do. If x is equal to minus 5 plus 2 root minus 4, 2 square root of minus 4. So what we have to do? We have to find out the value of, x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 64. Okay, this we have to find out the value. So if this is given, so what we can find out? X will be equal to minus 5 plus 2 into square root of minus 4 will be, square root of 4 will be 2, and square root of minus 1 will be equal to I. Okay. So what value will get for x? X ka value will be minus 5 plus 4I. Okay, this will be the value of x. So how we can find out this function? How it will find out the value of this function? So we can also write x plus 5 is equal to 4I. We can write this now. It means x to the squaring both side, x plus 5 whole square will be equal to 4I ka whole square. Okay. So x plus 5 whole square will be equal to 4 ka square into I ka square. Okay. So it will be x plus 5 whole square. It means x square plus 5 ka square, that is 25 plus 2ab, 2 into x into 5, so 10x. Okay, that will be equal to 4 ka square will be 16 and I ka square will be minus 1, so minus 1 into 16. Okay, so x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 16, it will be equal to minus 16, so plus 16 will be equal to 0. Okay, so it means x square plus 10x plus 41 will be equal to 0. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to divide this, because this is the function that we have to find out the value of this function, and we have got this one. So can we divide this? How we can divide this? So if we have this value x square plus 10x plus 41, and we have to divide x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 64. If we'll divide this, so what value we'll get? सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? this is x square and यहाँ पे power is x to the power 4. So we will divide this by what value? Quotient x square. X square into x square will be x to the power 4. Then x square into 10x will be equal to 10x cube. Then x square plus 41 into 41 will be equal to 41x square. Okay. Now we have to subtract this. We'll get 0. ये minus. So we'll get minus x square and यहाँ पे we'll get minus 6x square. ठीक है? And minus x यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. Then sorry, this will be cube. Okay. So now what we have to do, हम minus x से अगर करेंगे multiply and we'll divide it by minus x. So what we'll get, x minus x into x square, that will be minus x to the power 3. Minus x into 10x, it will be minus 10x square. Minus x into 41, it will be minus 41x. Okay, ये positive होगा, ये positive होगा, ये positive, then plus minus cancel. And now 10x square minus 6x square will be 4x square. 41x minus x will be 40x. ठीक है, and 64 as it is we'll write here. And now what we can take for quotient? Quotient के लिए क्या number ले सकते हैं? We can take 4 plus 4, because 4 into x square will be 4x square, plus 10 into 4 will be 40x, then 4 into 41 will be 41 into 4 will be 84. Okay, so 41 into 4 will be 84. Sorry, 41 into 2 will be 80. Sorry. 41 into 4 will be 164, right? So minus, cancel, and minus 164 plus 64 will be minus 100. Okay, so what value we are getting? So when we are dividing this number, so what we are doing, basically when we are dividing this number, we are getting minus 100. It means x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 64 will be equal to x square plus 10x plus 41 into x square minus x plus 4 and minus 100. Okay, minus 100 भी रहेगा. Now इसमें से किसी एक की वैल्यू भी नो. Yes, this x square plus 10x plus 41 is equal to 0. So this value will be 0. Okay, so if this one is 0, so this whole multiply करते तो that will be 0. So minus 100. So it will be minus 100. Okay, so the value will be, this value will be minus 100. ठीक है. Now next question we'll do, we have to find out the conjugate. If some number is given, you have to find out the conjugate of that number. Like if z is equal to square root of 5 minus I is given, so what will the value of z bar? Z bar will be equal to square root of 5. Only I के साथ जो number imaginary part होता है, उसके the sign of imaginary part will be changed. So it is minus I, so it will become plus I. That's it. If some another kind of like if z is equal to 5 minus square root of minus 5 is given, it means what? It means minus square root of minus will be I and square root of 5 will be 5. Okay, so this is what, this is only imaginary number. So z bar will be equal to I square root of 5 because imaginary number का sign will change. Now if z is equal to square root of 2, then z bar will be equal to square root of 2, because हमने पहले भी देखा है कि if z is equal to z bar, z will be equal to z bar if and only if z जो है that is a real number that belongs to R, and z will be equal to z minus z bar if and only if z belongs to imaginary number. Okay, okay, so that's why यहाँ पे जो है that is equal to minus z bar. Now if we have some number given and we have to convert, if z is given, some z is given, I into 4 plus 3i divided by 1 minus I. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write z in the term a plus ib. A plus ib के term में हमें लिखना है z. So what will the value? Now it will be 4i plus 3i square divided by 1 minus I. Okay, तो 3i square मतलब minus 3. So minus 3 plus 4i divided by 1 minus I. Now what we have to do, we'll multiply this with the conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 minus I. तो इसका conjugate क्या होगा? 1 plus I. Okay, so 1 plus I. So when we are multiplying 1 plus I to the denominator, the same number we have to take in numerator also, वहाँ भी multiply करेंगे. So what value will get? Minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3. 4i into I will be minus 4. Okay, plus I into 4 into 1, 4, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, divided by 1 का square plus 1 का square. So it will be minus 7 plus 4 minus 3, 1. So I divided by 2. So a plus b ib के term में लिखना है, तो it will be minus 7 upon 2 plus I 1 upon 2. Okay, this way we can write. Okay, now if we have another kind of sum, x to the okay, if we have to show that minus 1 plus square root of 3i to the power 3 is a real number, we have to show that. So first of all we'll find out the value. a plus b whole cube का formula क्या होता है? a square plus b square. Okay, so first of all minus 1 का a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so minus 1 का cube plus square root of 3i का cube plus 3ab, 3 into minus 1 into square root of 3i into a plus b, that is minus 1 plus square root of 3i. Okay, so it will be minus 1 and this will be root 3 root 3 and I cube minus 3 root 3i into minus 1 plus 3i, root 3i. Okay, so it will be, and I root 3 will be equal to minus I. So minus 1 plus minus 1 and a minus will write here because minus root 3 na. So 3 root 3i. Okay, minus 3 root 3i into minus 1. So here it will be plus 3 root 3i, then minus 3 root 3i into 3 root 3i. Okay, so it will be now minus 3 root 3i plus 3 root 3i cancel. Now minus 1 and this is 2i is there, and okay, so minus 3 and root 3 into root 3 will be equal to 3 and I square will be minus 1. So minus 1 and minus minus plus 3 into 3, 9, that is equal to 8. So this is a real number. Okay, so this way it is proved. Okay, Now, one more question will do based on this concept. If some value is given, if 1 plus I to the power 10 plus I to the power 20 plus I to the power 30 is given, you have to show that it is a real number. So 1 plus I to the power 10 का value क्या होगा? I to the power 4 plus, okay, see, I to the power 4 plus 2, okay, I to the power 20 का value क्या होता है? And we can also write this 4 into like 4n plus 1 के term में हम लिखते थे ना 4n plus 1 4n, so it can be 4 into 2 plus 2, and this will be I का value will be equal to, and I to the power 20 का value will be I to the power 4 into 5 plus I to the power 30 का value 4 into 7 plus 2. Okay, so 1 plus I to the power, this will be equal to I to the power 2, and this will be equal to 1 plus I to the power 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 I square, 2 कॉमन लिया, 1 plus I square. I square का वैल्यू क्या होता है? I square का वैल्यू will be -1. Okay, so minus cancel, it will be 0. Okay, 2 into 0 will be 0. So what value we are getting for this one? We are getting a real number, that is 0 is a real number. X is equal to 2 plus, if it is given x is equal to 3i, 2 plus 3i, and what you have to do, we have to find out the value of x cube minus x square plus x plus 46. Okay, so value you have to find out. So first of all, x is equal to 2 plus 3i, it means x minus 2 will be equal to 3i. Now squaring both sides, what we'll get? X square minus 4x plus 4, that will be equal to 3 square I square. Okay, so x square minus 4x plus 4 will be equal to 3 ka square will be 9 and I ka square will be -1. So minus 9. Now x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 9 will be equal to 0. It means x square minus 4x and 4 plus 9 will be 13, that is equal to 0. Now what we have to do, we have to use this here. So it is, okay, so again we'll do division, normal division we can do. X square minus 4x plus 13 से क्या डिवाइड करेंगे हम? x to the power 3 minus x square plus x plus 46. Okay, so x will take here, so x into x square will be equal to x cube. Now minus x into minus 4x will be minus 4x square. Now x into 13 will be 13x. ठीक है? Now minus plus minus cancel. Now this is plus 4x square minus x square will be 3x square. Minus 13x plus x will be equal to minus 12x, and ये 46 as it is will write here x square. So x square के term में this is x square, so we'll write 3 here. 3 अगर हम लेंगे it will be 3 into x, 3x square minus 3 into 4. 3 into minus 4x will be minus 12x, and 3 into 13 will be 39. So ये minus होगा plus minus, cancel, cancel, and 46 minus 39 will be equal to 7. Okay, 7. Okay, so it means what? We can write it like this. This we have to find out the value of this one, x cube minus x square plus x plus 46. This will be equal to this one into this one. So x square minus 4x plus 13 into x plus 3 plus 7. Okay. Now this one, this value is equal to, since x square plus minus 4x plus 13, this value is equal to 0. Okay, so this value is 0, then this whole thing will become 0, because x plus 3 into 0 will be equal to 0 plus 7. So that is equal to 7. Okay, so value of this one will be equal to, this one ka value we have to find out, this will be 7. Okay, now, okay, so I hope you understood this sum, all the sums you understood. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.